Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone button panel. Just to unmute your ringtone, you should swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here in default volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not the media. And now just by press your up volume button, you can also unmute your ringtone volume. And also we can do it by the third way, just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just slide up with your finger this white dot on the volume panel. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.